Hey, boom, up, knee, push kick, shooey, round kick, shooey, shooey. Okay, so here are a few ways you can use this power pad. I have a pretty diverse martial arts background, so I use this pad for a variety of strikes that you find in different martial arts styles. So the first way we can go over this is just with punches. I can brace it here on my shoulder. I find that if you hold it out too much, it doesn't give enough give for the client to hit the pad. So when he throws the 1-2 and we're moving around, I give him a little bit of weight, but I'm not crushing the punches, and I'm bracing it on my shoulder. When it comes to hooks, left hook, I go on this side against the shoulder. He throws a left hook. Right hook, I go on this side of the shoulder. Boom. So the downside is, let's say he's going jab, cross, hook, ba, 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 I have to be fast on my movement. If he does it a little faster, ba, 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 I have to catch it right away, which is harder than if you just had hand mitts. So for uppercuts, chin level, I have this angle. He throws the right uppercut, he throws the left. We move around, right uppercut, left. Okay? So we have those. Punches to the body, he could throw the jab to the body. He could throw the cross to the body. And then we got the hooks. Boom, hook. So we have those movements as well. So we have those for punching. Even if he wants to duck a punch, you just swing it over. Boom, he can throw the right hand. So we're moving around here. Duck, right. Duck, right. So we have that. Moving on to other strikes, if he wants to elbow, same concept. I brace it, elbow, other one, elbow. If he wants to go vertical with it, ba, vertical, boom, spinning back elbow, ba, okay? So you just want to keep your head off of that line where you would get decked in the face. For knees, I could either slap the knee when he throws it, ba, slap, ba, or I could hold it on my belly and he could work that pushing knee. Okay? So, other than that, we have traditional martial arts kicks, like the side kick, where I can hold it here, he can throw the side kick, maybe he measures with the jab a little first, and then he throws, bah, side kick. And then we have the back kick as well. Boom, back kick, boom, working both sides. So we have the side kick, we have the back kick, you can throw teeps as well. Bah, so we have both of those. We got the leg kick. He can chop the leg kick. You can throw a jab up here, chop the leg, again, boom, one more, then we can go cross, ba, inside leg, again, ba, we can wrap around to this back leg, go, back leg, boom, and with light contact, not too hard, he could even throw the body kick, and then you just brace it. Okay, so we have those. Next is the more complicated ones. If he throws a hook kick, I'm just gonna hold it out here and he sends the heel, boom, and it gets it out of the way. So he could throw a jab up here, boom, hook kick. Yes, again, All right, now we have the spin kick. Same thing, I hold it out, face level, he turns around, spin kicks, boom, then he can send the cross from there. Again, ba, cross, up, boom, let's work it again, hey, cross, up. So we have those kicks as well. Those are just the ones that I've been playing with, but there's a lot of different ways to use this pad. It saves some injury on your joints as a pad holder, especially when they're good and they're ripping these kicks. So get creative with it, have fun with it, and yeah. Oos.